Hello, this is Yolanta from the YouTube channel English with an Erudite. Today's video is a little bit tongue-in-cheek and a little bit scientific as well. You know, when I inherited this garden, I inherited quite a few roses too. And some roses looked really bad. For example, the one I'm filming right now had been trained vertically for many years, and it produced just a few flowers at the end of the stems. So I decided to have a serious talk with this very old rose and with the other rose which I found next to it, and I issued an ultimatum. So I said, either I give you the chop, or I give you something called shovel pruning, or you start doing what I want you to do. So I think the roses understood what I meant, and they knew that their days were numbered. So look what happened. Last year, this very old rose produced a several meters long stem, and this year I have a lot of flowers on it. This year, the same rose, this old rose, produced a new very healthy stem, which at present I'm trying to train in the same direction. Of course, at some point I might have to get rid of the oldest stems, because they're really, really old and they don't look particularly healthy, and I don't think they are going to produce many laterals. It is a lateral, see? But I'll think about it. So, with a little bit of persuasion and a little bit of knowledge, especially about the growth phenomenon called apex dominance, and the right method of training you climbers, and of course some feeding, in the end you're quite likely to achieve that. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.